Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a LavaLamp menu so it looks like this. So we're going to make something like this. So we're going to start fresh from a blank page. So I'm going to start off by doing nav bar, and I'm using Pug. So if you have seen any of my previous videos, then you probably already know. But here is the compiled HTML code. So let's start off on the nav. So we do background 0 hue, 0% light, 0% saturation, and 10% lightness. And then we also go to the body and we do 0 hue, 0% saturation, and 5% lightness. Alright, and now we can target the UL and we do a display of flex, and then we target li, and then we target anchor tag, and here we do display block, and we do just do it white, and then text decoration none, and then here we do P1M. So yeah, so I'm just writing P1M and then hit tab, and Emmet will do the full thing for us. Anyway, here I'm going to do font family, system UI. So alright, now it looks a little bit better, and then here I'm going to add an anchor tag, or I'm going to add a pseudo-element with the anchor position. So and before, and then we do, we probably want the position relative here. Alright, and then here we want the position absolute, and then we want the content to be that, and then we want the we want inset of 0, and we probably should set up that here. So let's do and is hover or focus within or first child. Then anchor name, and then active. Yep. So then here we do. I'm just going to do red PG for now, and then I will set this to Z index -1, and then I will go here and I will do isolate to create a new stacking context. So now it goes behind, but it doesn't look the way we want to. We can actually change this one to just insert block, because on the inset inline we are going to do anchor. So this should be the left, and then anchor right, and then we are going to do position and position anchor and active. But it is still not visible, and why is that? Inset inline, yeah, that's working as expected. Let's just see the dev tools and see what's going on. Yeah, so it doesn't have a width for some reason. And yeah, this one, it says that it's not defined. Oh, that's because I wrote it wrong here. Yeah, obviously. It helps if you can actually write it correctly. And yeah, the Hoover is not working for some reason. Oh yeah, that's probably because I need to do set index of -1. And now it does work. All right. So now we just need to do transition, and we do inset inline, and then 0.5 seconds. And now, as you can see, you have this effect. So what we can do here is that we can then create a gradient. So we can do linear gradient, linear gradient, and then we do HSL to 10 hue, and then we do 80% saturation and 50% lightness. And then we go here and we do HSL 210 and 80% and 30%. So now we have it looking like that. Pretty cool. And then I'm going to go here and do like 0.5 M or rem, doesn't matter. And yeah, now we get that, and then I'm going to do a border radius of 0.5 rem. And I'm going to remove that one because I don't like that. And then we have it looking like this. And then I'm going to go up here again, and I'm going to do border bottom 3 pixel solid HSL 210 80% 50%. And now we get that, and then I'm going to add just a border under here. So border bottom 1 pixel solid HSL 0% 50%. So it kind of looks more like inset into the navbar. And now you can change the links however you want. So you can do home, a link with a very long link name, or whatever. So as you can see, it's going to work perfectly there. And you can do products with capital P, and then we do like registration and frequently asked questions. So yeah, now as you can see, it all works. So we can do dun 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 dun. Yeah, so that's how you do this kind of effect, and it's with anchor position. So yeah, and also if you you can also tab to different ones. That also works because we have a focus within here. But one thing you could do is to do outline none, and you don't see that stupid outline. So you can go here and just toggle it like that. So that works. Alright, so yeah, that's it. Bye.